Alright, well, I was going to do a wash. I had to find my hose. I dug it out the snow. The bottom part froze here. So, I gotta go get the torch and unfreeze this thing so I can get it. Alright, got the hose out. Burned my fitting a little bit, but whatever. It's out. Get another one. This thing racked up a lot of miles. All that snow. Look at that. Yuck. Clean this thing off. Actually do all three of them. Clean them all up. Be right back. Just ran some Iron X over this thing. The purple is a reactant with iron, contaminants, whatever else might have picked up on the road. This thing, look at this. Alright, all done. I just did a spray off on all these things. Still gotta get all in here. Get all the stuff out. It's like caked on. Do a hand wash better later, but threw some tire shine on it. Came out pretty good. Threw some on the Subi too. Gave it a spray off along with the rest of them.